Ladies and gentlemen, fellow countrymen and women, I welcome and thank you for assembling here today. This being the fifth and the final of the sub-counties edition in preparation for the final race, I am glad to say that today's run at this place has shown that we are gearing on well towards the main event. Watoto mnyamaze kidogo Watoto wanyamaze kidogo I highly thank you for having participated in today's event. You have run and competed favorably, not only for the awards but also for the sake of keeping fit. Our theme in this great run still remains the same, that is keep running to keep the doctor away. These events are meant to remind each one of us the need to keep our bodies in condition, as well help identify talents among our youth and see the best ways to nurture them. It is in such events that young talents are identified and nurtured. From the last 4 events that we have had, I can confirm that Nyamira has talent in athletics and that it only needs nurturing. I recognize and thank Athletics Kenya for they have stood with us all through since Excellency initiated this noble idea, and we hope they will be with us until we conclude the final edition. The races have been entertaining, competitive, and lively. I welcome you all to the final event, which shall take place on 13th December 2021. 13th, 12th, that is December 2021, together will make it a success. Participants, let us keep reminding ourselves on the need to follow the health protocols as provided by the Ministry of Health concerning COVID-19. COVID is real. Whenever possible, sanitize, keep social distance, and wear your face masks appropriately. Importantly, visit our medical facilities that have been authorized to offer the COVID-19 jab and get vaccinated for your own safety. I thank you, all of you. Wacha niongeze kitu kimoja before we give the prizes, and I hope the prizes are ready, organizers. Wacha niongeze kitu kimoja kwamba hii maneno ya COVID is real, and all of us should make sure tuangalie kwamba tumechanja kwa maneno ya COVID. Yes, ya pili, I want to request watu wa Nyamira South, West Mugirango constituency, where I served and I had the privilege to serve as member of parliament for 10 years. I want to ask you, ladies and gentlemen, I want to ask those who have finished Form 4 and they have not got their identity cards, please, we would like to assist you as much as possible to get registered so that we can have a clean election next year. I really would like you to give us an opportunity of registering you for your ID card. And finally, najua kipindi ilikuwa ya mzee wetu alienda, alikuwa anaitwa mzee Nyagarama. Sasa mzee Nyaribo alichukua usukani na mimi ndio deputy yake. Nauliza watu wa Nyamira South na watu wa Nyamira that we shall need our 5-year term so that we can tell you what we can do. We are dynamic leaders and we would like to give you medical services, good health services. We like to give you clean water. We want to give you good roads. And we want to give you electricity. Any leadership in the world, and I've said this before and again, that leadership should leave people better than they found. If we found you in a malnourished state, we want to make sure that these children are well nourished. Sawa sawa. Na tunaanza kuhakikishia kwamba tutakuwa na dawa as we move to Christmas. we shall have medicines in our hospitals, and our responsibility as Governor Nyaribo and Deputy Governor Gesami is to make sure that watu wetu they are served, they get services properly. We are not joking, we are working. Wanasema sisi ni wazee, lakini wazee ndio wanajua kufanya kazi. Vijana wanafunja hapo, mna jingo la jama kaka. Sasa jingo la jama waje jibunu. Yeah. You go take us back next year and we shall give you services. I want to thank you all. Thank you.